Hello and welcome to Chapter 6, Lesson 2, Size of Equal Groups. Last chapter, Chapter 3, we multiplied. When we multiplied, we put equal groups together in order to find a total. The groups represented one of our factors. The number of items in each of our groups represented another factor. And we were looking to find the total number of objects, which was our product. In Chapter 6, we are going to be dividing. When you divide, you know your total amount of objects, and you separate those objects into equal groups. For this reason, multiplication and division are known as inverse operations or opposite operations. Let's get started. Hector has 12 rocks from Cave State Park. He puts an equal number of his rocks into each of 3 boxes. How many rocks are in each box? So let's take a look at this problem. We already know our total number of rocks that Hector has. That signals that we're dividing. We also know the number of groups of rocks that Hector has, and they're represented by the 3 boxes. What do we need to find? Well, we need to find the number of rocks in each group. Remember, because we're dividing, the number in each group will be equal. Which numbers will we use? We will use the 12 rocks that Hector has in all and the 3 boxes, or the 3 groups. We divide to find the number in each group. We are going to use these rock counters in order to model our problem. Because Hector has 12 rocks in all, we are going to use 12 rock counters to represent Hector's total number of rocks. Because Hector has 3 boxes, we are going to draw 3 squares. These 3 squares represent Hector's boxes, or his equal groups. In order to divide, we are going to place 1 rock in each box until we've used all 12 rocks. We always want to go in a pattern, so start in the first box, place a rock, go to the second box and the third box, and then start over in the same order. This is going to help you keep track of where you're putting the rocks and make sure that you don't have too many rocks in each box. Since I've used all 12 of my rocks, I can now easily see that I have 3 equal groups, and that shows us that we have 4 counters in each group. Therefore, there are 4 rocks in each of Hector's boxes. Because today's lesson is all about the size of equal groups, I want you to try this problem on your math whiteboard. Chuck has 15 marbles. He puts them into 5 bags. How many marbles does he put in each bag? When you're finished showing your work on your math board, raise your hand and I'll come around to check you. Good luck.